Welcome back. You may have noticed that we are working with videomarketingfe.co, but we also are working with videomarketingfe.com with www in front of it. In fact, we created a bucket named www.videomarketingfe.com. And what we need to do with that bucket is we need to configure it so that it redirects to this bucket when someone goes to that address. So we're now inside of this bucket. And what we're going to do is we're going to go inside of the properties. As you can see, we're going to click static website hosting. And instead of using this bucket, what we're going to do is we're going to click redirect. When we click redirect, we're going to need to determine what the target bucket is. And once we've done that, our site is now enabled to redirect to videomarketing.co. We'll now click Save. We are now ready to go to the next step in configuring our website. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.